Welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. I'm Karen. Today we have a 16-minute full body Tabata workout. Tabata basically means 20 seconds work to 10 seconds rest. You're going to do 8 exercises and we repeat it 4 times. So nice short exercises today and plenty of rest. I'm going to be using quite light dumbbells today because it is a little bit faster. It's only 3 kg dumbbells each. You can pick whatever you feel comfortable with, but make sure you give yourself a little challenge as well. If you need any longer rest than what I've given you, please pause me, come back in when you're ready. But again, challenge yourself and see if you can push yourself a little bit harder. Make sure you have plenty of water beside you though if you do decide to challenge yourself. Whenever you're ready, let's go. All right, let's get ready to go. Our first one is going to be your alternating row. So what I want you to think about here is not swinging your arms. We're going to control them, squeeze the shoulder blades on every row. Dumbbells on your shoulder, squat down, press it up. Same idea again with the controlled arms. You're going to row it up, bring it for a tricep kickback, squeeze the back of the arms when you're up there, and nice and slow back down. Pick a leg, pop it back so you can get down into a nice lunge position. The opposite arm from your front leg is going to curl. Change sides. Make sure that elbow stays nice and tight into the side and try and come down as low as you can to the ground with control. You can do this without weight if you need to. Dumbbells up to your temples. Twist from the ribs and bring it knee to elbow. We have single, single, double press. So single, single, double. Last one of your first round. Again, you can do this with no weight if you need to. Bring it into the center and we're squat pulsing.
and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust. Should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and it dawned on me, yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was gold, and you gotta know, I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up in pride, but I'm waking up now. Want you to know that I need you. I'm a little messed up, but it's time for me to be dropping down my defense. I realized I wasn't there for real. What I did didn't make any sense. How can I get you close? I see why you'd be so cold, but you need to forget everything that I've told you. 'Cause I ain't playing it low-key, baby.